everyone! So this chicken ball recipe is one of my oldest videos, but it is still one of my favorites. These crispy chicken balls are addictive, juicy and super easy to make. If you are new here or you missed it somehow, then trust me, you are going to love this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, then do check out my other videos on the channel. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because I bring delicious recipes every week. So, see you soon. Bye-bye.